Hello, welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at USD Japanese yen, and basically what I'm going to do is obviously quickly get into the analysis of this. If you want to look at how we've done in terms of the previous, in this week with the US dollar Japanese yen, we've done a previous video and it's called Friday Profit Update. That obviously explains all of the videos, all of the analysis that we did last week, and then reviewed like how they performed. So let's get into this video for this week. So I'm going to just step back to the weekly just to refresh where we're currently looking at in the long-term picture, because it gives us the bias that we need to in the shorter term. So basically we're trapped in between this wedge that we've got here on the monthly on a high time frame, and that's drawn in purple. We then had the breakout, and we've now if you look to the daily, we're in consolidation, so that's where price is moving in between two levels, and I've indicated that in the blue two boxes here. So price is jumping in between, and it's important to realize that we've had 3 oversold conditions here. So I'll just show it here on the screen, and what that means is that prices and the momentum is kind of switching over. So we could expect this to come back inside of the level, or we could see it reject. So it's coming to a close turning point now. So and further to add to that is our EMAs. They're slowly converging upwards, so we could begin to see this turn into a buying condition. So let's drop it to the 4 hourly and quickly just give a rundown. So I'm going to draw this here because what we currently are in is an uptrend. So what I will be anticipating is 2 scenarios. So if we can break above and find a retest, if we could break above and find a retest and then close strongly above this monthly trend line that we've got here, then I will be considering a long position. But I do believe that this would need or require a lot of energy, and I believe that the NFP would provide that with the news on I'm not sure when it is, but I believe it possibly is this week. Might need to just adjust that, but obviously be aware that NFP could it manipulates the US dollar, so we could get the push that we need for that. And then the other scenario is if we break this channel, the uptrend here, just drawn in black now, I'll be looking for a retest here on the blue zone again, and then a push to the downside. So we could retest our lower levels, and perhaps one of the 2 options will occur. We just have to be patient and wait. So obviously with jumping into a trade right now makes no sense, because then again that is literally 50-50. So make sure you're obviously using or waiting for the market to show its cards first, and don't jump into it, otherwise you will obviously get not the results that you wanted. So I'm just going to quickly show you my Twitter that we've been posting here. So basically what I have done is posted all of the updates in a single thread, and it just shows you the updates of where we're looking at with the appropriate understanding behind it. So you do get the little analysis behind it. So it's simple, it's not too complex, so anyone can understand it. And if that's something that you'd like to be involved with, obviously just go ahead and follow my Twitter, which is @KMTRADERS_. So that will be all for this video, and thank you very much, and I'll catch you next week.